I was doing quite well on LinkedIn, and I'd finally get built up a network of people that I was interested in networking with on this fuckwit platform, and they've done it again. They've locked me out of my own account and refused to give me access, even to fucking close it. So what I'm going to do is fucking chop you up, motherfucker. And I know where you live in King's Cross. I'm going to fucking set fire to your fucking building, motherfuckers. You're fucking done. Fucking bunch of fucking cunts. Motherfucker. This is what happens when I type my fucking number in. Motherfucker! You're fucking dead. I'll find you, Bill. Bill, motherfucker. Who's the new guy? That fucking cunt, motherfucker. You're fucking dead, mate!